At the law offices of James Jean-Francois, we have aided many people who have unfortunately had to file a wrongful death suit. This video will be relaying to you some information about what can be considered as a wrongful death and who is eligible to file the suit on the deceased's behalf. A wrongful death according to Florida law is when a wrongful act causes the death of a person under circumstances that would have allowed the person to sue for personal injury damages if he or she had lived. A representative of the decedent's estate may sue for the damages on behalf of them. For example, reckless driving which resulted in someone's death, medical malpractice, a tragic accident at work and many other scenarios could fall under the category of wrongful death. You must be wondering who is able to sue on behalf of the deceased. Well, those who are able to are, one of the deceased's spouse, children, parents, a blood relative or adopted sibling who was dependent on the deceased. Now for the lawsuit to go forward, the plaintiff party must prove that the defendants should have behaved with more caution, acted negligently, failed to be cautious, caused direct harm to the deceased, the injury caused death, and the whole estate suffered because of this death. Now in a wrongful death lawsuit, the deceased's estate may recover monetary damages. Recovering payment for lost wages, the value of money that the estate would have reasonably received if that person had lived, and the medical expenses plus funeral expenses for the deceased. In special cases, the family may also receive more economic and non-economic damages. Many of these damages are quite difficult to compute, but our team at the law offices of James Jean-Francois are extremely experienced and will work in your best interests. There is nothing more tragic than the sudden death of a loved one due to another person's wrongful behavior. At the law offices of James Jean-Francois, we provide compassionate yet aggressive representation for wrongful death cases. To schedule a free consultation and case evaluation, call me at 95498788832 or contact us online at www.civilattorney.law.